Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video we are doing this look right here. Very simple eyes, very Vavavoom lip. I got the I Love Serahi and ColourPop collab in the color Arriba, and I really have been wanting to use it. So I went ahead and did a look today using this color right here. It is so gorgeous. It is an ultra matte lip, so it's very drying. I didn't have any lip liner, so my lip is kind of a little wonky, but you get what you get. It is going to be another voiceover because I don't have anything in this room and I feel like it echoes quite a bit. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to subscribe before you guys leave if you haven't already, and make sure to like this video if you guys enjoy what you're watching, and go ahead and sit back, relax, and let's roll the music.
Okay guys, we are jumping right into it. I am prepping my skin using my Mario Badescu Rose Spray Water, and then I am using my L'Oreal moisturizer that I've been using in my past couple videos. I'm really liking this moisturizer. It's really good for oily skin. Then I'm going in with my Revlon Photo Ready Primer, and I'm just using this to pretty much just fill in my pores. Just really in the T-zone. It doesn't really mattify you, but it does really fill in those pores. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia brow definer, or excuse me, Brow Wiz, and it's in the color medium brown, I believe, or medium dark, medium brunette, something like that. But I'm just filling in my brows here with the pencil. And you guys have seen me do this 100 times before, so nothing really new. Then my other brow is done like so. My cat, she wanted to be a part of the video, so I'm just prepping my eyelids here with the NYX Pot Concealer. You guys have also seen this in my videos a ton of times. It's in the color beige, and I'm just putting that all over my lids, and I did use this to clean up my brows as well. Then I'm going in with the I Love Serahi and ColourPop collaboration in the Cheeky palette, and I'm just using that light color, cream color, to put all over my lids just to prime and set everything, and then underneath my brow bone as well. And then I'm going in with the light brown shade in the palette, and I'm just putting this into my crease. You guys, I really like this palette. It was only, I want to say it was on sale for under 20 bucks. I'm not exactly sure the price off the top of my head, but it's so good. It just has like the 4 main colors that you need to just do a basic look, but this is going to be so good for traveling. Then I'm going in with my Kathleen Lights palette, and I'm putting in those 2 shades just more into my crease, just working it in back and forth. And then I'm going back in with the first palette and just putting on that champagne color all over my lid. And this eye look is very basic. I'm not really doing a whole lot because we are doing such a red, bold lip. So I'm going in with a darker brown color in the Kathleen Lights palette, the Dream Street palette. And I'm just deepening up the outer crease of my eye, like the outer V, just to give it a little bit more dimension. And I just took a Morphe brush just to kind of, you guys have also seen this brush in my tutorials too. It's the same brush I always use. I think it's the M433. I'm also going in with my Physicians Formula liquid liner pen. This is like my ride or die pen I always use for my wing eyeliner. And I'm just doing a little wing. I try not to do it too dramatic because of the lip, but I ended up going a little bit dramatic with it, but my lashes pretty much covered it, so it wasn't that bad. And then I did lose the clip of me showing the other eye and me putting on my lashes. I apologize, but the lashes I am wearing is the, I want to say, Queen Bees from Coco Lashes. Then I'm going in with my foundation, my Wet n Wild foundation, my Photo Focus foundation in the color beige, and I'm just putting this all over. I'm using my Morphe sponge to blend it all in. I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer. This is in the color medium 30, and just using that underneath my eyes. I don't really put it all over my face this time. I think I just really kept it underneath the eyes. Wanted to go a little dramatic, but not too dramatic. But we do need to cover those bags because, girl, I have been stressed out lately. Then I went with my Morphe brush just to get really in there and get close up to cleaning up my eyeliner as well. Then I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder as always, and I'm just setting that concealer underneath my eyes. Then I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just kind of bronzing up my skin. I don't really contour, I just kind of put it all over my face. I haven't really been contouring a lot lately, just kind of been bronzing up my cheeks and my temples. And I'm just using my favorite Morphe brush to do so. Gotta throw some brown back on that face. A little tan, make it look like I was in Mexico, but not really. Then I'm taking my LA Girl blush, and I'm just putting a little bit on my cheeks to give me some more color. Then I'm going in and just blending it out with my Wet n Wild stippling brush. This brush is literally like $2, and it's so bomb for blending everything out. I love it. Then I'm taking my highlighter. I believe this is the Wet n Wild one in Precious Petals, I want to say. And I'm just putting that all over, you know, the areas where we want highlighted. Going back in with the first palette, I'm just doing my lower lash line. Just taking the light brown color and just kind of smudging that out to even out the whole look. And then I am going in with a smaller Morphe brush and taking that champagne color and giving me a little inner corner pop as usual. Then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild mascara. You guys know the drill. I always use this mascara for my bottom lashes. It's so bomb. And it's super cheap. It's under $5. I love it. I only use it for my bottom lashes because it's that good. Then I'm just taking some NYX pencil, eyeliner pencil, and just doing my waterline. And of course, you can't let that hard work go to waste. You want to make sure you lock that shit in. So I'm taking my Milani setting spray and spraying my face, making sure nothing moves. Then taking this beautiful color Arriba from the ColourPop and I Love Sarahi collab. I'm just putting that on all over my lips. Now, I didn't have a lip liner, and I wish I would have tried to find my lip liner because it was a little difficult to put this on. This is very matte and very drying, but the color is absolutely stunning. It makes your teeth look so freaking white, but I love it. I love the way the look turned out with the eyes, and then of course with the black and white striped shirt. It just ties everything in together. So that is the final look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was another short one, but I promise you more videos are to come, so make sure you stay tuned. And I appreciate you guys coming by and watching again. Until next time, bye!